Right now, we're seeing a film sentiment score of plus 0.24, but what stands out is the momentum drop of nearly minus 0.30 over the last 24 hours. This sudden shift suggests that while there's a positive sentiment, the enthusiasm is waning quickly, indicating a potential pivot point for audience engagement. Our API returns nuanced insights, like sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, giving you a comprehensive view of how films are resonating in real time. Imagine you're building an analytics dashboard for a streaming service. You could leverage this data to identify films that are losing traction, allowing you to adjust marketing strategies, or even rethink content placement. Dive deeper into this actionable data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the numbers together.